So Stripe serves for online payments and in-person retailers, businesses, subscriptions, software platforms and marketplaces. A bit of everything in between. If you are wondering the difference between PayPal and Stripe, both are credit card processing providers for customers' payments, but PayPal is mainly a digital wallet, as in for Stripe is primarily a merchant services provider that allows you to customize solutions for your online sales. Now, in conclusion, PayPal is for small or new businesses and Stripe is a better fit for larger companies. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for a free Stripe account so you can start taking credit card payments online. To begin, you will need to search for Stripe in your web browser. You will click it and then the main page will appear. After that, you will click on sign up. Now Stripe asks you to fill out your email and your password. After you've done so, you will click continue. After you've clicked sign up, you will then fill out your email, your full name, your country and then your password. Now, after all the gaps are fulfilled, you will click create account. But first, Stripe will verify your email account. After you've done so, Stripe will create your account and here it is, your dashboard. Now on the top left, you will see these steps for you to start taking credit card payments. All you need to do is to add your business info, add your bank, secure your account. You have some optional tasks here as well, and then you are finished. But honestly, why is Stripe asking so much of you? Well, these questions are actually to verify that you are a real person and you are not using Stripe platform to launder money or to commit any fraud. So let's start with some basics. You'll register your business address, then you will type your type of a business. In this case, I'm going to select a simple individual. After that, you will just write your legal name as a person, your email address, your date of birth, your home address, and your phone number. Now that you have fulfilled all the gaps in the personal details, you will click continue. Now Stripe asks you about your business. Now you will need to enter your VAT number. Now what this means is that VAT is an identification number to register companies. Then you will select your industry. I'm going to click on software. Then you will type in your business website or whatever the platform you do business with. After that, you will select your product description. I will just say that I sell software information. After that, we will click on continue. Now you will need to provide your best estimate in which you fulfill your orders. Then you will type in how much money do you expect to process on Stripe each year. I really don't know. Now on your statement description, you will type in your business name. That can be exactly the same as in your shortened description business name. Now that you have fulfilled all the gaps, you will click on continue. And now you start to add your bank details. So you will select your currency, the country of your bank account, your IBAN, then you will confirm it as well. After you've done so, you will click on continue. And now Stripe requires a two-step authentication process in order to keep your account secure. Now I will choose, for example, software, click on continue. Now that you are almost done, Stripe has a climate commitment. You can choose to contribute or not. I'm broke, so I will press no. You just need to click on submit, and now as you can see, your account is now active.